Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to put together the coaster display unit.
This unit comes with two dividers, a branded headboard and a cardboard insert and the CDU body. We begin with the body by pre-folding along the crease lines to help it become square. A line of double-sided tape helps to hold the front lip in place, and we've also added tape to the front tabs to prevent them from tearing. Pre-fold the front lip before removing the tape backing. Fold the CDU into shape. Don't forget to remove the tape backing from the front lip. The front lip holds the CDU body together. Press firmly along the lip to secure it with double-sided tape. Lastly, secure the backing board at the base of the CDU and then put it aside for later. Now we'll prepare the cardboard insert. Pre-fold the side tabs and remove the tape backing. Pre-fold the top tier and attach the side tab in place with the double-sided tape, and then repeat on the opposite side. Fold the back piece down so it's in line with the sides just created. Now pre-fold the second tier, attaching the side tabs in place, the same as you did with the top tier. Now repeat on the other side. Fold the bottom tier cardboard forward, and now we'll place the cardboard insert inside the CDU body. Press the sides firmly against the insert to make it square and hold it in place. Remove the little divider slots. Remove the tape backing from the dividers and fold them each in half. Now you'll slot these dividers into the CDU, noting that the square bit goes at the bottom with the triangle going towards the top. Insert the branded headboard into the top slots, and now fill your CDU with Straya Art hardwood coasters and you're ready to start selling.